How can you tell if someone has ADHD? I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. Let me break it down for you. It is National ADHD Month, and what the National ADHD Awareness Association wants everybody to know this year is that you can't tell by looking. That is the phrase that they're using in their promotion for trying to get more people to become aware of ADHD. And so the idea is you can't tell by looking at a person if they have ADHD or if they struggle with the symptoms. Now, I have the beauty of being able to see if someone has ADHD using high-tech, state-of-the-art computer systems, neuroscience, and technology. So the way you can tell if a person has ADHD, I would say definitively, and the science supports me, is to look at their QEEG brain map. And the way that it works is a QEEG brain map is a visual representation of how the brain is using electrical energy. So if a person has ADHD, their brain is using much too much slow processing speed. That speed is called theta. And I always do it like this to give you a visual and proprioceptive way of thinking about how electricity is used in your brain. Slow speed is moving at 5 hertz, 5 cycles per second. If your brain is moving at 5 cycles per second, it's not using fast enough electrical energy to be able to process information, cognitive and sensory information, emotional information, in real time. So perfect processing speeds a little bit faster here in the 12 to 15 hertz range, literally 12 to 15 cycles per second of electrical energy in your brain. So the key to success to be able to tell if a person actually has ADHD is to look in their brain and see what cycles per second their brain is primarily using. And on a QEEG brain map, it shows up as excessive magnitude of theta. So if you have excessive magnitude of theta, you in fact would then qualify for an ADHD diagnosis. Now, if you've met me or if you've watched others of my videos, you will know a diagnosis isn't necessarily the most important thing to me unless you are trying to get services. Then it becomes very important. What is important is seeing how your brain is performing and then knowing how you can make your brain perform better. So check out other videos on my YouTube channel. Consider liking and subscribing so that you can get the videos as they come out, because I want you to know what you can do about ADHD. Once you look at that brain map and you know that your brain is using the ADHD pattern, there's ways using neuroscience and technology that we can heal that pattern and change it permanently. And the science supports what I'm saying, so that you no longer have to struggle with lack of focus, distraction, hyperactive behaviors, anxiety that goes along with ADHD. We can improve that brain pattern so that you can reach your full potential using the optimal brain pattern. Okay, I hope this helps out. And remember, control your brain or it'll control you.